Amai Anak Wilong. I'm from DIK 2A. Today I want to present about introduction, definition of metric. Metric is one of the part mathematics that has a number of numbers called elements that form a square. It usually consists of 4 or more elements and has row and column. Metric can also be solved using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operation. Next, row metric and properties and element. Row metric is a metric that has various elements that only consists of one column and 2 or 3 rows. Here are some properties and elements based on the row metric. Number 1, representation, and 2, operation. So next, for the example of row matrix, 3 column and 3 row. So the first column is 21, 30, and 8, and the first row 21, 9, and 15. So next.
Hello everyone, my name is Inisa Guim from DIK2A. I would like to talk about question A. The following table shows the information of 2 types mobile phones sold by a phone shop in 2 days. 5 mobile phone brand X and 3 mobile phone brand Y were sold with a total sale of 3,250 on the first day, and 7 mobile phone brand X and 4 mobile phone brand Y were sold with a total sale of 4,450 on the second day. First, write the information given in the form of metric equation, which is 5x plus 3y equals to 3,250, and 7x plus 4y equals to 4,550. After that, by using inversion method, we can find the selling prices of each brand with the metrics that we written previously. First, write the information given in the form of metric equation, which is matrix A 5, 3, 7, 4 in a bracket xy in the bracket equals to matrix B, which is 3,250 and 4,450. A inverse equals to 1 over the determinant times the inverse matrix of A times by matrix B. To find determinants, 5 times by 4 minus 3 times by 7, which is 1 over negative 1. To find x and y is equal to 1 over negative 1 times inverse matrix A, which is 4, negative 3, negative 7, and 5, multiplied by matrix B, which is 3,250 and 4,450. Once you calculate it, you will get 1 over negative 1 times by negative 350 and negative 500. And then multiply 1 over negative 1 with negative 350 to find x, and multiply 1 over negative 1 with negative 500 to find y. And then you will get 350 for x and 500 for y.
Hi, I'm Nur Anida Bashira binti Azman. I'm from the DIK 2A. So here I want to explain about section B. So the question is, solve the following 3 linear equations by using Cramer's root method. So here we are provided 3 metric equations. So if we want to solve it, we must then continue with the second and third element. Repeat the steps I explained earlier. Okay, here each element outside the bracket has its own symbol starting from positive, negative, and positive. So the elements inside the brackets will be cross multiplied and then multiplied by the element outside the brackets. Then sum up all the findings. Then we have found delta 0. So delta 0 equal to negative 26. So next, we will find delta x. For delta x, we replace the first column that was used just now with the answer that has been provided. For delta x, everything is the same as delta 0. Just replace the first column with the answer that has been prepared. Then, calculate as I explained on delta 0 earlier. So, we will get the answer, and it is negative 26. For delta y, the second column, we replace it with the answer that been given, and then we solve it using the same method and the same way. Then we will get the answer 26. Okay, for the last delta, which is delta z, we replace the third column with the answer, and then we proceed to do the brackets, to do the cross multiplication, and we proceed also for sum up the total. So we get the answer, which is negative 26. Okay, next, to find the value of x, y, and z. For x, we need to find the value, which is delta x over delta 0 equal to negative 26 over negative 26, which is equal to 1. So x equal to 1. Then y delta y over delta 0 equal to negative 26 over 26, and the answer is negative 1. So the last one is z. So to find the value of z, delta z over delta 0 equal to negative 26 over negative 26, which is equal to 1. Okay, that's all from me. Bye.
Now I will explain this question C. The question asks if AI equal to IA equal to A. It's going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. It's going to be 3 times 1 plus 5 times 0. Repeat the same step. After that, you got the answer. Now we are looking for IA. In the same step, but the identity matrix is in front. Just follow the calculation method as before. So, it's proven because the answer is the same. In conclusion, matrix is matrices as a significant relevant on various aspects of our life. Matrices are used in a variety of fields, including mathematics, computer science, statistics, and even everyday life. In our life, mathematics and science, computer science, technology, economic and finance, engineering, education.